In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy process of replacing your Audi A8 key fob. All you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032, and you'll only need one of those. If you'd like to get that online, go check out that link in the description. The very first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this battery for a great price. All we want to do to start is find the buttons on the bottom here. There are two. You're going to hold them down and just pull out the key. Now it's the same thing on this section here. There's a button on each side. You're going to hold them both down and pull and wiggle slowly, and this piece will come out. You can see the battery's right there. We're just going to remove that. Take the new battery, which again is a CR2032. And when you're putting in your new battery, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just click that into place, positive side down. And now to put this back in, if the buttons are facing up, the battery will be facing down. And you'll just slide that in, push it down until it clicks. And now you just put your key back in and you are finished. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.